Your patent sucks because in your effort to describe everything, you have described nothing. My name is Steve Hansen. I've been a practicing patent attorney for over 25 years. Not only do I write patents, but I tear apart other people's patents in litigation. If you like this content, please do me a favor and like, follow, and share. There's something I really want to impress upon a lot of you, and that is that there is a difference between your product and your patent. Okay. Your patent is not meant to be a product manual that describes every little feature of your product. A patent is for an invention, which is a feature or a combination of features that are novel and non-obvious and which hopefully provide value. And yes, they are incorporated into a product, but they are not the product itself. The problem I run into is that sometimes when I work with inventors, they want to describe so many features of their product, many of which may have really little or no patentable value, that they don't focus on anything that's patentable. And so you read this patent and this patent application will be a long description of all these different features of this product. And you go, what the hell's the invention? At the end of the day, you have to describe an invention. And the worst thing that happens sometimes too is when I inherit a patent application and the inventor tells me what's important about his product and why he or she thinks it's so different from the prior art that it warrants a patent. And I look at the patent application, I go, well, that's great, but that's not in there. And you can't add something into the patent application after you file it. You can change the claims as long as the changes are things that are already supported by the application. But you can't just add new information. So what I want to impress upon you is that if you were getting into patenting, you really got to focus your attention on what the patentable invention or inventions are and make sure those things are really well described and built out in your patent application. If I have to sort of hunt to figure out what they are, and more importantly, if those things aren't reflected in the claims, then that patent application is really not doing its job and it's not going to get you what you want. So I hope that helps to keep you out of trouble, and I hope to see you here soon.